Bonista PF multi-dose disposable pre-filled pen device for teriparatide injection. Before you inject, check the expiration date to make sure it is not expired. Check the pen label to ensure it is the correct medicine. Prepare the injection site, thigh or abdomen as directed by your doctor. Pull off the white cap. Check the cartridge properly. Do not use if the Bonista PF injection delivery device looks damaged, if the medicine in the cartridge is not clear and colorless, or it has particles in it. Attach new needle. Pull off the paper tab. Push the needle straight into the medicine cartridge. Screw the needle clockwise until firmly attached. Pull off the large needle white cover and save it. Set dose. Pull out the black injection button until it stops. Check to make sure the red strip is visible. Pull off the small needle protector and throw it away. Inject dose. Gently hold a fold of skin on your thigh or abdomen and insert the needle straight into the skin. Push the black injection button until it stops and hold for 5 seconds. You must wait for 5 seconds to make sure you receive the correct dose. Then pull the needle from the skin. Confirm dose. Take your thumb off the black injection button once the needle is removed from the skin. Check to ensure the black injection button is all the way in. If the yellow shaft does not show, you have finished the injection steps the right way. If the yellow shaft is visible, please refer the troubleshooting section in instruction manual. Remove the needle. Put the large needle cover. Unscrew the covered needle all the way by moving it anti-clockwise. Pull off the needle and throw the needle safely. Put the white cap back on. Right after use, place the Bonista PF injection in the refrigerator. Do not freeze.